everybody, guess what? Guess where I am? That's right, I'm in LA. We're in Venice area, and I'm at Willie Mae's chicken, fried chicken place. Supposedly it got the best of LA. I got 4 pieces. I'm gonna kind of show you. I got the mac and cheese. I'm sharing with O'Neill. It's her birthday. Say hey. Hi. Well, it's her birthday week. So I'm just gonna be eating. So if you guys just want to chill out and watch us eat, that's fine. I'm just gonna show you the food and just eat. All right. We got red beans and rice. We got gumbo, mashed potatoes, gravy, chicken, mac and cheese, and chicken. More chicken. So, enjoy, you guys. Enjoy. You like it?
I love it.
Okay, there we go. I'm digging in.
It's so good.
This one was spicy.
Yeah.
I took a bite already.
Go for it.
Cornbread.
I like it because it doesn't have the big pieces of corn. I don't like cornbread that does that. So there's your red bean thingy.
Okay. You're gonna try it?
I'm gonna try the gumbo. Oh, look at it. It's got a tiny claw. How cute.
Ah, claw.
I like it. Get away from me, you dumb little bug. Oh, that's like a little tiny piece of okra. Isn't it? I'm sure they wouldn't like that, but...
Swanson's.
Okay, so how do you tell which one's gumbo and which one's...
Red beans, rice, gumbo.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.